Transform your graphic design projects into a captivating online gallery that clients can't ignore. Today, we're diving deep into creating a visually stunning and effective portfolio website on Squarespace, specifically for us graphic designers. First, let's choose the right foundation. Squarespace offers a range of beautiful, minimalist templates that are perfect for showcasing visual work. Head to the Design tab, then Templates, and explore options like York, Wexler, or Hunter. Look for templates with strong visual layouts and ample space for high-quality imagery. Once you've selected a template, it's time to add your signature flair. Click Edit. On your chosen template, the key to a great designer portfolio is organization and immediate visual impact. We'll start by adding a compelling homepage. Navigate to your homepage and click Edit. We want to create a strong first impression. Use a prominent banner image or a striking slider showcasing your strongest piece. Below that, use a grid or gallery block to display a curated selection of your best projects. Think of this as your highlight reel. Next, let's build out individual project pages. These are crucial for demonstrating your process and the depth of your skills. Go to your site navigation and click the plus icon to add page. Select gallery for a visual-heavy project or blank page for more creative. Control title your page with the client's name or project type. Now, within your project page, start adding your content. Use image blocks to showcase your final designs in high resolution. Don't be afraid of white space. It helps your work breathe. Include text blocks to describe your role, the client's brief, and your design process. Explain your challenges and your solutions. For each project, consider adding a case study. This means not just showing the final product, but also the sketches, mood boards, or iterations that led to it. This demonstrates your strategic thinking as a designer. Use the video block feature for case study videos, or embed Vimeo or YouTube videos of your process. Don't forget the essential pages: an about page to tell your story, and a contact page for potential clients to reach you on your about page. Include a professional headshot and a brief bio that highlights your expertise and passion on your contact page. Make it easy for people to get in touch by embedding a contact form or listing your email and social media links. Finally, optimize your site for search engines in the Marketing tab. Under SEO, ensure your site title and meta description are clear and keyword-rich. Regularly update your portfolio with your latest and greatest work to keep it fresh and engaging. Finally, optimize your site for search engines in the Marketing tab. Under SEO, ensure your site title and meta description are clear and keyword-rich. Regularly update your portfolio with your latest and greatest work to keep it fresh and engaging.